Hi nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel and to another video. And today's video I am reviewing these two nail plates that I got in the post today. Now to be honest, I totally forgot about them. I ordered them from AliExpress, which usually takes around the 6 to 8 week mark for them to arrive, and we are into mid-February now, and I had ordered them maybe 2 weeks into January, so about 4 weeks they took, but with New Year's and everything I just totally forgot about them. So they are Born Pretty plate BPL051 and Nicole Diary L005. Now I had ordered this one because it has all these lovely little mandala shapes, and I had a mandala plate before but it didn't pick up very well. I cannot remember what it was, but I said I'd give this one a go because I just thought I thought this here was really pretty, and I loved this one too. So I said, do you know what, we'll give them one more go and see is it any good for me. So the second plate I ordered then was the Nicole Diary one, and I was obviously thinking ahead because this is her new bunny Easter type plate. I'm trying to get a picture without that light shining on, but we will remove the blue film off both of them. I'll wipe them down with some acetone and we'll do 4 or 5 swatches on each of the plates, and then we can see how we go with them. Now these are the images that I had chose to pick up from this plate. Now I did have some problems with this plate in that they were all just too cute. I loved them all. There is not an image on this plate that I don't like, even down to the whole Playboy bunny type bunny rabbit down here, which I normally wouldn't be my style, but even the wording, like we have, there's cute rabbits, there's bunny girl, and I love the little bunny girl, and then we have forest rabbits, and then them all on the line as well is really cute. So like, this is a perfect Easter plate. It has enough images to get you through that Easter season, most definitely. So if you like them, let's just stay tuned and we'll go through the mandala one, see how we get on with that one. And here are the 5 mandala images, and just like that bunny rabbit plate, these turned out absolutely perfect, which I am delighted about, because as I was saying, I did have that other mandala plate that just did not work for me. So really happy that these worked out brilliantly. I absolutely love the 2 plates. Have to be honest though, I hope you probably agree that the bunny rabbit Easter one is absolutely my favourite out of these 2. So I will be doing a design on my nails with a tutorial showing off that bunny rabbit plate, and again I'll do them with this plate as well. But in the meantime, I did off camera had to do that little family, so I have done the family and I have coloured them in, and when you flip it over, how they're ever going to fit on a set of nails I don't know, but they could go across too. Aren't they just so adorable? I love them. So if you love them, guys, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But until the next one, stay safe, keep watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.